Okay, so once you have made all of your notes and your highlights for the book that you're reading, and I showed you how to do that in a previous video, you now need to turn them into your teacher. So when you first log into Sora, it brings you to the Explore page. To be able to turn in your notes and your highlights to your teacher, you're going to want to click on Shelf, find the book that you were reading. In this case, I made my notes on Cemetery Boys. Click on Options, and then you'll see here in the list of options that it has notes and highlights. So you're going to click on that. From here, you have some options. If your teacher gave you specific instructions on what color to do, to use for each of your notes, you can go over here where it says all, and you can choose, oh, I'm only going to turn in my pink highlights, or I'm only going to turn in my notes, or I'm going to turn in all of them. So depending on what instructions your teacher gives you, you'll do that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and you're going to click on this export button right here, the box with the arrow in it. Once you do that, a window pops up that says PDF, CSV, text, copy to clipboard, and Google Drive. So you're going to go ahead and click Google Drive. What that will do is it will open up a window or a new tab, and you're going to save them to your Google Drive. Just save them as a PDF. You're going to click Save. In my case, I have to change. There we go. So you're going to click Save. Once you click Save, a pop-up window will come up that says it's called Sora Notes for Cemetery Boys will appear in my drive. So once it does that, you're going to click Save. And then now you'll see that it says that those notes have been saved in your Google Drive. So this is where you are going to open up your Google Drive. And it should actually, once you do that, be one of the first things that pops up in your recents. So right here, right? Sora Notes for Cemetery Boys. And then it shows, right, the notes and highlights. And then from here, you can turn it into Google Classroom, however your teacher wants you to turn them in. And so that is how you submit your notes and highlights to Google. And then as always, please follow us on Instagram at SBHS Cardinal Library, where I will give you some additional tips, tricks, let you know when we get new books in, and more.